Alright everybody, welcome back to Mamaw's Kitchen, where Mamaw's going to make us another one of our family favorite recipes. Take it away, Mamaw.
Hi y'all. Uncle Clinton requested lemon bars. So we're going to throw together some lemon bars. They're really simple and easy, nice and tangy and summery. So we're going to cut some butter up and put it in the mixer. This is a half a cup of butter, and oh, it's cold in the refrigerator. We're going to stick this in this blender mixer and do it first, and then we'll add a cup of flour and 1/4 of a cup of powdered sugar. All right, there's the butter. I'm going to turn that mixer off. I'm going to put the flour and powdered sugar in there. I probably should not do all of it at the same time, y'all, because that's going to make a mess. So let's do a little bit and mix it, and then we'll add some more. Okay, I'm going to scrape those sides down and get all that butter mixed in with the flour and the powdered sugar. Sorry about the scraping sound, but it's the best way to get it all mixed in there. See how it's all nice little crumbles down in there? This is what we are looking for. So we're going to press this down into an 8x8 baking dish. All right, so we have all these nice little crumbs. We're going to dump them in there. Scrape our bowl out. All right, just press that down. The butter's going to make all of that stick together, and then we're going to bake this for 20 minutes at 350 degrees to set this base. And then while it's baking, we will go ahead and make the topping that we're going to put on top with the lemon juice. All right, I've pressed everything down. Okay, press this all down with my fingers, nice and firm. We're getting ready to bake it. All right, we're going to crack 2 eggs and put them in the mixer and whip them up pretty good, and then we'll add some sugar. There's 1. Oh, those are pretty and yellow. All right. Just going to add a little bit of sugar at a time and let it mix in really well, get nice and fluffy. Look at that. That looks pretty. I have a nice fresh lemon, and I've already rolled it just a little bit. Now, I was told when I was younger that you roll the lemon because it releases the juice a little bit better. Oof! It may have worked. That's the first time I've seen juice jump out. All right, we're just going to squeeze this in the dish because I need 3 tablespoons and I want to be able to measure it. So we're just going to squeeze it in there, and let's see if I can get a little bit more out of it. Oh, look at that. That will be nice in there too. So let's do that. All right, a little bit more. Well, they were seedless lemons. I had doubts, but there were no seeds in there, which is nice. Supposed to be 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Let's see if we got enough. 1, 2. Ooh, nope, I don't think we're gonna Well, look at that. That's just perfect. All right, that was 1 lemon then. Okay, now we're gonna need 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. I don't have 1/8 of a teaspoon here, but for those that are new to baking, that means 1/2 of a 1/4 of a teaspoon. So that's what we're gonna do. Uncle Clinton said a pinch would work too, but I just wanted to show you about 1/2 of that. And then we need 1/2 of a teaspoon of baking powder. Now remember, when we have the baking powder, I like to scrape it off flat with the lid. So that's that one. So, and we need 2 tablespoons of flour. I already measured that out. All right, now we're just gonna give that a quick mix. All right, we're gonna scrape down the sides. Mixer off. That looks really pretty. The eggs gave it a nice yellow color. The lemon juice doesn't, but the eggs made it really nice and pretty and yellow. Lemon juice is just clear. All right. All right, that's perfect. We're gonna pour that on that nice warm crust. All right, we've got the crust out. It's still warm, but nice and firm. Now we're gonna pour this over the top of it. And I'll scrape the bowl out really good. Oh, look, they've got a little bit of sugar in the bottom. Let's mix that in. Make sure we don't have it too sweet in one spot and not another. All right. Scrape it all out. We want all that goodness in there. All right, now this is going to bake for another 25 minutes at 350 degrees. And then we'll pull it out of the oven and show you the rest. All right, here you go. Nice and golden brown. Look at that. So pretty. It's still, whoop, it's still got a nice little crust on top. I was going to push down to show you that it's soft, and it is, but it's got a nice crust on top. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to use my fingers because they're nice and clean. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar over the top of that and make it look nice and pretty. And then we'll cut a piece out and let you see.